Hi friends, this is Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and today I wanted to talk to you with a product review for this awesome laser measure. I bought it about a year and a half ago and I think it comes in handy all the time. A couple groups of people I think it'd be really useful is, of course, realtors. If you have clients who ever want to know the measurements of a room when you're there, the distance between things, anything like that, it's really useful. Especially when we're there for home inspections, that's when I always recommend to my clients that they come with any furniture measurements or thoughts like that they might have in place so that they can plan for when they move in. And so I often bring the laser measure here to the home inspection so that we can get them any room dimensions really quickly and easily, so that they can plan for when they move in. So for realtors, I think it's really useful. And then also for homeowners, especially if you're a single homeowner, and sometimes it can be difficult to use a regular tape measure to measure the dimensions of a room, or to find the middle of a wall, or to hang a picture if you want a picture right in the middle, or put the furniture right in the middle of the wall. It can be difficult to do that with just one person, and the laser measure would come in handy for that. I have my husband around most of the time, and I still feel like the laser measure comes in handy and is easier to measure things than using a physical tape measure. So let me show you why, and we'll go from there. So first off, you can change the settings on this to either measure including the length of this laser measure or not including it. So when I am, like I said, at a home inspection and we're measuring the dimensions of the wall, of a room, I include the length of this measure and I put this against one of the walls, and then I shoot it at the opposite wall, and there's a level here, a little fluid level, so you can make sure that it is level so you're getting an accurate measurement. You're not diagonal and making the room dimensions seem longer than they are. You're level, and then you just shoot it. So you press the red button, you look at the level, so obviously I can't see the level since I'm on the back side, so this might not be a entirely accurate measurement here, and you press it again. And then it gave me that distance I just measured was 9.881 feet. You can change the units if you prefer different units other than feet. That's just click of a button and you can change the units. And that's as simple as it is to use. Now, if in other situations you did not want to include the length of this measure, that's a simple button right here. And now there's an indicator up here that shows you that you're measuring from the front of the measure, not including the length, aka measuring from the back of the measure. So everything is super simple to understand. There's changing units. I don't even know. Oh, if you wanted to do math in this measure, so this button allows you to say, hey, let me take that measurement and add some other amount to it. I have never used that. If I needed to do addition, I would do it in my head, or if it got complicated, I would do it on the calculator, I guess. I haven't used the measure to do math before. And then this button over here changes the units. We have feet, and now it also shows you volume. I guess you can go to cubed. It can do all kinds of math. Looks like it's doing right triangles and everything here. But anyway, yeah, so you can get volume and all kinds of things from it as well, rather than just a linear measure. And then there's the clear and the off button. So it's super simple. I have this product, I was going to have it on my recommended products page, but this exact brand, which is some random off-brand technology, it's no longer available on Amazon. So I'm going to find one that's very similar, and I will have that on my recommended products page with the link to that recommended products page in the video description below, in case you'd like to buy it. It cost me about $20, so about a year and a half ago, so everything is in the ballpark of about 20 bucks to get it, and I think it's well worth it. I keep it in my car all the time for real estate stuff, and then when I need it at home, I just run out to my car, open the center console, grab it out, and use it in my house. So it's a little tool, and it really comes in handy a lot. So I'm passing it along to you guys. I hope it makes your lives a little easier. And if you want more product recommendations or other tips and tricks for being a homeowner or being a realtor, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can find out about them. So once more, Adrienne Green, Realtor at Sampson Properties, and thank you for taking a few minutes to watch the video today.